35 on this one. Check that out. See that? So yeah, hello, thanks for watching the video. So I'm doing a spark plug change on this Jeep XJ. It's 4.0. It's a 1999. It's an inline 6. What I wanted to do was compare the plugs that I've just pulled out at 15,000 miles. These are copper plus, I think. I know they're copper. I guess they're copper plus plugs. That's what I've always ran, the Champion. And at 15,000 miles, these have done very well. I just pulled number 1 out. Look at it. It's really nice looking. Now, I pulled it out at 15,000, or wanted to change it to 15,000 because somewhere I heard that it was 15,000 for the copper you need to change. Then I've also read that you can get up to 30,000 miles. So I'm gonna take a look at these. I probably will go ahead and change this since I've got the new ones. So I got some new, like I just said, I got new ones. Let me show you those. What I want to do is do a comparison. I'm going to get all 6 of these out, and I'm going to gauge them. I've already gauged these. These are the new copper Champion plugs, and here's the number. These are supposed to be 0.035 gap. I want to make sure this number is the same as what I just pulled out here. And I'm not that impressed with 2 of these right here. Get you focused. Yeah, I'm not that impressed with 2 of them. I'll show you what I'm finding in the gaps. But I'm going to make sure this is the same number. This is the same number. This is the RC12ECC. And these have run very well. Have not had any problems starting the Jeep. So yeah, still very good. Let's pull the rest of them out and see if they look as good as this one. All right, I think I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and just show you the gap of the new ones, and then I'm gonna take the other 5 out, and I'll show you the gap on those. So here's our gauge right here. 4 of these. See, that's a little bit, I would call that a little bit tight myself right there. All right, so we're gonna go with that. Yeah, that one's nice. So it's supposed to be pre-gap from what I understand, and last ones I put in, these that I'm going to show you, I didn't even check them with the gauge. I just put them in. That one's right. Yeah, it's for the most part, that's right. Now these last 2 are too tight. Look at that. Look at that. 0.035. There's no way that's going in there. And I found that, let's do a 0.028. That won't even go in there. I think it was around 20. So yeah, that's how far it is off. Now these were boxed nicely, packaged well, so I have no reason to think that they were dropped or mishandled. All right, to check this one out. Okay, here's our 0.035. Check out, really tight as well. Alignment's off a little bit. Look at that. Yeah, let's see what this one is. Here's 20. It's a little wider than 20. See if 32. 32. too tight. 32. I'd say it's probably around 31. So yeah, that one's off. So these last two are definitely off. Now I don't know, how critical that would be as far as running, if you would even notice. But it is something to consider. Yeah, well, I got this one out. The first one I pulled. This one's now at about 40. So I didn't check these when I first put them in, but I'm guessing that that's how much wear we've got after 15,000 miles, and it still runs very good. I'll continue to check the rest and get back with you. I'll show you those, I guess, when I get them all out. But yeah, two of these I'm going to have to gauge or get at the .035. The rest of them are okay. Yeah, here we are regapped. Happy with that. I actually opened up a little bit too much and kind of had to tap it on the brick over here, so here's our 35. Or .035 of an inch. Oh yeah, another nice one. Here's all our Copper Plus that's been in here 15,000 miles. I think they look really healthy. Now they've opened up a little bit. I've gauged these around 39 to 40, point 3940. But yeah, they're all pretty nice looking, I think, and could continue to be used. So I'll probably clean these up, and I'm definitely not going to throw these away. These have been pretty consistent. I feel that these were set accurately when I put them in. So here we go. Here we are at 40 right here. It goes in pretty easy at 40. All right, again, here's a third plug. We're at 40 here. Pretty much what that is. 35 on this one. Check that out. See that? So yeah, that's kind of where you're going to get, or I did anyway, 15,000 miles. Still looking good, and Jeep still runs good and starts without any problems. So pretty impressed. But what I want to finally say here is, yeah, the new plugs. Well, I'm glad I checked them because two of them were clearly off, pretty far off. One of them was 0.20. The other one was around 0.28. The rest of them were right at the 0.35. So anyway, thanks for watching the video. Hope it's been helpful. They are good plugs, but you definitely want to check these. Another thing, these were actually from Mexico. I don't know where the other ones are. The ones let's see. Yeah, made in Mexico. So yeah, read the reviews. I'll try to leave a link to this where I bought mine at. Not saying to get these, but may want to read some reviews what other people have said with these. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care. All right, let's give it a start. First time with those new plugs in. Sounds good. Hopefully we'll get another 15,000 miles. Thanks for watching.